So we're on to our next extension question, and again it's a word question with no diagram. Let's go through the question first. We've got an outdoor adventure park is installing a flying fox. It's also called a zip wire. They find a vertical tree and build a platform 20 meters up the tree. The finish point will be on horizontal ground 60 meters from the tree. So how long will the zip wire need to be? Now, as I've said previously, it's always a good idea to draw a little sketch. So we have a tree, don't laugh, there's my little tree. And we have that the platform is 20 meters up the tree. We have horizontal ground and the finish point is 60 meters from the tree. So the zip wire will be connecting these 2 points here, and that's the length that I need to find. Now, because we have a vertical tree and horizontal ground, what we have here is a right angle. And as you can see, I've created a right-angled triangle. So let's take that triangle and just move it to one side, just to make things a little bit simpler for us. And let's pop in the measurements that we know. Well, we know that vertical height is 20 meters, and along the horizontal we have 60 meters. And the missing side, well, that's that hypotenuse. So there's no letters being used, so let's actually use a letter of our choice. And in this case, I'm saying let x be the length of the zip wire. So now we've got that, we can actually form an equation. So x squared is equal to the sum of the other two squares. In other words, 60 squared plus 20 squared. Now 60 squared, well, that's 3,600, and 20 squared I know is 400. So x squared will be equal to 4,000. Now at this point, I need to find the square root. So x is the square root of 4,000. Now again, from my knowledge, I know that that is not a perfect square, and I am not going to get a whole number answer. So take my calculator, put in 4,000, press square root, and I get an answer of 63.24555, etc. Now I'm going to round that to one decimal place. So the zip wire needs to be at least 63.2 meters, and that's to one decimal place, long.